Class 10 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is similarity in geometrical shapes. And chapter 11, the exercise 3. Let us start what will be in your exercise. So first of exercise 3, and that is here is the main important things is scale factor. First of all, we can find the scale factor. So here is scale factor. What is the scale factor on both the figure? Figure is that is the AB. This is the LM upon AB. You can write here LM upon AB. Both are the similar. So you can write here LM is that is 3 and it is your 6. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So 1 by 2 is the scale factor. Now how can find the OP? You can see here OP. So scale factors, it is always used. Scale factor is equal to OP upon which one? OP upon ED. So you have to write here ED. Now put the value scale factor 1 by 2 is equal to OP. And what about 2 ED? ED is given as 3.4. You can see here. So you can write here 3.4. So what will be upon? OP will be equal to 1 by 2 into 3.4. So it will be 1.7 centimeter. So that one is your answer and that is the first answer. It is your first answer. So you can do the first question. Now come to the second. Second, the value of EA. Where is EA? So you can see here EA. This one is the EA. This side is EA. Now by scale factor is equal to, it is PL upon EA. Now scale factor is 1 by 2. PL is given as 2 centimeter. You can see here it is 2 or upon EA. Now EA is equal to 2 into 2. So it will become 4. So EA is equal to 4 centimeter. You can say centimeter or unit. You can say in unit and that is your answer. Let us do the third part of this question, this one. Now come to the third part of this question. Third part is given here. So it is the magnitude of angle of OPL and it is equal to magnitude of angle. You can see here OPL. It is OPL, this angle. And that is angle is equal to angle of E. So you can write here DEA. So it is DEA and that is given as 110 degree and 110 degree and that is your answer. That is the third part of this question. Now come to the fourth part of this question. Angle of magnitude, fourth part of this question. Magnitude of angle LMN. As you say LMN, here is LMN and that is this angle. And this angle is given as 90 degree. So that is the magnitude of angle, which one? ABC. So you have to write here ABC, but ABC is given as 90 degree. So you have to write 90 degree. So that is your answer. Now come to the fourth. Polygon DEABC. DEABC. It is your pentagon. So fifth one is pentagon. Now come to the sixth one. The statement polygon BCDA, polygon NOPLM is not correct. Correct it is. So you can see here polygon is BCDEA. You can see here BCDEA. So here is polygon which one? You can write polygon which one? It is starting from B, so it is starting from M. So MNOPL. But it is not correct. You can see here. So that is the correct answer. So you have to write correct answer. So it will be completed. Now come to this figure. Figure first triangle are similar and the figure second quadrants are similar, then find the value of x and y. First of all, we can find the scale factor. Scale factor. What is the scale factor? You have to see this is A, B and C, and here is P, Q and R. So you can find the scale factor. How can find? It is AC upon PR. Put the value AC upon PR. AC is given as 10 and PR is 15. So 5 to the 10 and 5 to the 15. So 2 by 3 is the scale factor. Now we can find all the x and y. Now come to the once again scale factor. Scale factor is equal to, how can find this one? You can write here AB upon PQ. So AB upon PQ. Both are similar. So you can put here 2 by 3 is equal to AB upon PQ is given. AB upon PQ. As you know, AB, where is the AB? AB is 6. You can see here AB is 6. So you can put the 6 and PQ, it is x minus 2. You can see here it is x minus 2. Now do the cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, what will be happen? It is 2 into x minus 2 will be equal to 6 3 the 18. So here is x minus 2 will be equal to 18 divided by 2, 2 1 the 2 and 2 9 the 18. So x minus 2 will be equal to 9. So x equal to 9 plus 2. So x will be equal to 11. So 11 is your answer. That is the first answer. Now come to the second answer. How can find the second answer? You have to see for the y. Once again you can write the scale factor. Scale factor. How can find the scale factor? For BC upon QR. You can write here BC upon QR. Scale factor is given as 2 by 3 and BC as you know it is 8. So you have to write 8 and QR that is the y plus 3. So you have to write y plus 3. Now do the cross multiplication. So y plus 3 is equal to 8 into 3 by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8. So y plus 3 will be equal to 4 3 ja 12. So y will be equal to 12 minus 3 and it is 9. So 9 is your answer. So value of x that is 11 and value of y that is 9. So it is your answer. So you can see in the question this one the x and y. Now come to the next question. In this figure, first of all you can find the scale factor. Scale factor. How can find the scale factor? You can see it is DC upon PQ because it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. So DC is given as it is 8 and it is 12. DC is 8 given and it is your 12. So you can write here 12. So 4 2 the 8 and 4 3 the 12. So you can say it is 2 by 3. Once again find the scale factor. Scale factor. So what will be upon? It is AD upon PR. Now put the value. A scale factor is 2 by 3. AD is given as you know x plus 2. So you have to write here x plus 2 divided by PR. PR given as 15. So you have to write here 15. Now x plus 2 will be equal to 2 by 3 into 15. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. So x plus 2 will be equal to 5 to the 10. It is x plus 2 will be equal to 10. So x will be equal to 10 minus 2. So x equal to 8. 8 is your answer. Now come to the y angle. As you know, these angles are, this is the adjacent angle, that is the y angle also. So as you know, angle of same side of parallelogram. It will be 180. So y plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So y will be equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. So it will be equal to 110 degree, or you can say 110. That is your answer. Now come to the next question, third question. In the given figure, each pair of polygons is similar, then find the value of x and y and z. So now you can find the value of x, y and z. So first of all, by scale factor. Scale factors. So what is the scale factor? You have see, you can write here A, B, C and D. And here is P, Q and R and S. So you can write here BC upon QR. Scale factor is BC upon QR. So BC is given as 10 unit and the QR given as R 8. So you have to write 8. So 4 ja and 2 5 ja. So it will be 5 upon 4. Let us do what will be happen in this. Once again, scale factor will be equal to DC upon SR. It is DC upon SR. Put the value, scale factor is 514 and DC is given as, where is DC? DC is X. So you can write here X and SR, that is the 13. So you have to write here 13. So X will be equal to 5 upon 4 into 13. So 13 5 ja 65 upon 4. So divide this one. So X is the 16.25 as your answer. Now come to the next one. Once again, you can write the scale factor. How can write the scale factor? It is the AD upon PS. So you have to write AD upon PS. The scale factor is given as 514. AD, as you know, it is 14. So you have to write here 14. And PS as a Z. So you have to write here Z. Now Z will be equal to 14 upon 5 into 4. It is 56 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 1 and 5 to the 10. So Z will be equal to 11.2. It is your second answer. Now come to the Y. Once again, by scale factor. Scale factor. It is the, how can say? Scale factor, it is the AB upon PQ. Now put the scale factor is 514. AB is, as you know, it is 16. So you have to write 16. PQ is Y. So you have to write here Y. So Y will be equal to 16 into 4 upon 5. It is 64 upon 5 and that will be equal to 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 8 ja 40. So Y will be your 12.8. That is your answer. Now come to the next one. That is the find the value of X, Y and Z. So first of all, we can find the scale factor. First of all, you can write the A, B and C. And here is P, Q and R. It is 30 degree, as you know, and it is your 60 degree because it is your 90 degree. And here is also 90 degree. Now come to the scale factor. How can find the scale factor? Scale factor. That means AC upon PR. Now AC is given as, where is AC? AC is given as 10. So you have to write 10 and PR is given as 14. So you have to write 14. So 2 7 ja here and 2 5 ja 10, so 5 upon 7. Now once again scale factor. Now how can find this one scale factor? It is CB upon which one? PQ. Write the 5.7 MCB, that means it is your Y. So you have to put here Y, and PQ, that is the 7 root 3. So you can write here 7 root 3. Now you can find the Y. Y is equal to 5 by 7 into 7 root 3. 7 will be cancelled out. So we get Y is equal to 5 root, and that is your answer. Now come to the next one. Once again scale factor. How can find the, it is the AB upon QR. It is AB upon QR. Put the value of AB. AB is 5. So you have to write here 5, and QR is X. So you can write here X, and scale factor is given as 5.7. Now X will be equal to which one? It is 5 into 7 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled out. So X will be equal to 7, and it is your answer. Now come to the next one. Once again scale factor. Angle Z is equal to 30 degree. Angle Z is equal to 30 degree. So it is your answer. Bisimilar triangle. Now come to the next one. It is the third question. Find the value of X and Y, Z. So how much it is, you can write here naming. It is A, B, C and D. There is A, B, C, D. So you can write here P, Q, R and S. Now scale factor you can write here, it is AB upon PQ. It is AB upon PQ. So AB is given as you know, it is 15. So you have to write here 15, and it is your 18. So you have to write here 18. So 3 5 ja 15 and 3 6 ja 18. So your scale factor is 5.6. Once again scale factor is equal to, here is the AD upon which one? SP. It is given as 5.6, and AD is as a 21, so you have to write 21, and SP is X, so you have to write X. So X will be equal to 21 into 6 upon 5. So you can write 6 1 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12 upon 5. So 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25, 1 and 5 2 ja 10. So X will be equal to 25.2. So that is the answer. Now once again scale factor. Scale factor. How can find the scale factor? It is BC upon QR. So you have to write BC upon QR. Scale factor is 5.6. BC, as you know, it is 27. So you have to write 27, and QR, that is Z. It is here QR Z. Now Z will be equal to 27 into 6 upon 5. So 6 7 ja 42, and 6 2 ja 12, and 4, that is 16, and divided by 5. So 5 3 ja 15, and 1 5 2 ja 10, and 5 4 ja 20. So Z will be equal to 32.2. That is the answer. Now come to the last 12 point. So X and Y is there. Now by scale factor. Scale factor. So what will be happen? You can write here, and that is the DC upon. It will be DC upon SR. So scale factor is 5.6. DC, as you know, it is 18. So you have to write here 18. And SR, it is given as Y. So you have to put here Y. So y will be equal to 18 into 6 upon 5. So 8 6 are 48 and 6 1 are 6 and 4 10 and divided by 5. So 5 2 are 10 and 5 1 are 5 and 5 6 are 30. So that is your answer. So you have to write and do this one. In this question, you have to write here A, B, C and D, and here is E, F and G. So let us do the first of all, we can find the scale factor. Scale factor. What is the scale factor? So you have to write here that is the EF upon DC. So EF is given as, so EF is 6, it is given here 6 and DC is 10. So you have to write 10. So 2 3 are 6 and 2 5 are 7. So it is 3 upon 5. Once again scale factor will be equal to that is the FG upon BC. Scale factor is 3 upon 5. FG, as you know, where is FG? FG is given as Z, so you have to write here Z, and BC is 12. So you have to write here 12. So Z will be equal to 3 upon 5 into 12. So 12 3 are 36 and divided by 5. So 5 7 are 35 and 5 2 are 10. So Z answer is 7.2. Let us see the next one. And now write the scale factor once again. Scale factor is equal to how much? It is AG upon AB. Now put the value 3 upon 5. AG, as you know, it is Y. So Y upon AB is, it is 16. You have to see here, it is 16. So Y will be equal to 3.5 into 16. So 16 3 are 48 upon 5. So 5 9 are 45 and 5 6 are 30. So our value is 9.6 and 9.6 is the answer of Y. Now once again scale factor. What will be scale factor? So you have to write here. It is AE upon DA, or you can say AB. The scale factor is 3 upon 5. As you know, AE is X. So you have to write here X. And the AD is 15. So you have to write here 15. So X will be equal to 3 upon 5 into 15. So 5 into 5, 5 3 is 15. So X will be equal to 9, and that is your answer. So X, Y, Z, or you can find also. Now come to the next. The length of a side of a quadrilateral 4, 6, 6 and 8 centimeters. The length of the side of the another quadrilateral which is similar to the first quadrilateral, that is the 6, 9, 9 and the 12. Now come to the first one is what is the scale factor? So you can write the scale factor. The scale factor is equal to, it is AB upon PQ. AB is given as, you can say it is 4 centimeters, so you have to write 4. And PQ is given as here 6 centimeters. 6. So you can say 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 6. So 2 by 3 will be your answer. Now first, what is the scale factor? The second quadrilateral from the first. Now find the perimeter of both quadrilaterals. Perimeter of both quadrilaterals. Second, it is the first answer. Parameter of first quadrilateral. First is 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 centimeter. So it is the 4 and 6 the 10, 10 and 6 16, 16 and 8 that is the 24 centimeter. Now perimeter of second quadrilateral. It is, you can say it is 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 12. What happens? 6 and 9, 15, 15 and 9 that is 24, 24 and 12 that is the 36 centimeters. So that one is your answer. Now what is the ratio of their parameters? So you have to write P1 upon P2. It is the 24 upon 36. So 4 4 ja and 4 9 ja. 4 6 ja here and 4 9 ja and 3 3 ja and 3 2 ja. So it is the 2 upon 3. So ratio P1 raised to P2 will be equal to 2 raised to 3. So that is your answer. A girl of height 90 centimeters, that is the CD. CD is equal to 90 centimeters. So you can say it is 0.9. It is 0.90 meters. Now walk away from the base of the lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meter per second. The speed is given as 1.2 meter per second and time is given as, if the lamppost is 3.6 meter above 3.6 meter, that is the AB. AB is equal to 3.6 meter. Find the length of her shadow. Let DE is equal to X meter. That is the shadow. And her shadow after 4 seconds. So time is given as 4 seconds. Now distance is equal to speed into time. The speed is 1.2 and time is 4. So it is the 4.8 that means distance, that is the BD. So you can write BD. Now triangle of ABE similar to triangle of CDE. Now AB upon CD will be equal to BC upon DE. Now put the value. AB is given as 3.6. It is here 3.6 and CD is given as 0.9, 0.90 and BC is, you can say BC is, that is the 4.8 plus X. It is 4.8 plus of X and DE is only X. So now do the cross multiplication. Here is, you can remove the point and here is 0, 0 cancel with 0 and 9 4 ja 36. So it will be 4 is equal to 4.8 plus X divided by 4 X. It is X. Now do the cross multiplication. It will be 4X is equal to 4.8 plus X. So 4X minus X equal to 4.8. So it will be 3X is equal to 4.8. So X will be equal to 4.8 divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 6 ja 18. That is the 1.6 meter. So that is the answer. That is the shadow answer. Now come to the next question. Exercise 4. ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the value of X and Y in this is given. So you can see how we can find the distance. In this figure, triangle of EAB similar to triangle of EFC. Now applying the similarity property. So that is the EF upon EA will be equal to FC upon AB and will be equal to EC upon EB. Now put the value EF, as you know EF, where is the EF? EF is X. Now put the value EF is equal to X. And EA, as you know, where is EA? EA. That is the X plus 15. So you can say it is X plus 15 will be equal to FC. FC is 6. You can see here it is 6. So you can write here 6. And AB is, as you know, it is 16. Will be equal to EC. You can say EC is Y. So you can put here Y. And EB is the whole, that is the Y plus 9. So first of all, 6, that is the 2 3 are 6 and 2 8 are 16. Now you can say here X upon X plus 15 will be equal to 3 by 8. Now do the cross multiplication. It is 8x will be equal to 3x plus 3, 15 3 that is 45. Now 8x minus of 3x is equal to 45. That is the 5x is equal to 45. Now x will be equal to 45 and divided by 5. So 5 1 are 5 and 5 9 are 45. So x will be equal to 9 and that is your first answer. Now for the second, last two said that is the 3 upon 8 will be equal to y upon y plus 9. Do the cross multiplication. That is the 8y will be equal to 3y plus 3 9 are 27. Here is 8y minus 3y is equal to 27. That is 5y is equal to 27. So y is equal to 27 divided by 5. So 5 5 are 25. So 2 and 5 4 are 20. That is the 5.4. That is the answer. Let us do the next one. Question number 2. It is given that it is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. It is given as AB parallel to DC. Yes. And its diagonal intersect at point O. There is the O. If AB is equal to 2 CD, then find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and COB. As you know, triangle AOB similar to triangle COB. That means area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle which one? COB is equal to AOB, that is the AB square, and COD, that is the CD square, or you can say DC square. AB is given as 2CD, so you can put the value of 2CD. 2CD whole square will be equal to here CD square, and it is 4CD square, and here is CD square, CD square, CD square, cancel out. So that will be 4. So you can say area of triangle AOB raised to area of triangle which one? COB will be equal to 4 raised to 1, and that is your answer. Question number 3, in which given figure IV is equal to 36 meter. So you have to write IV is equal to 36 meter, and VE is given as 20 meter, and EB it is given as 15 meter. And what is the value of river? That is the RI. So we can find the RI with the question mark. But you can say triangle of RIB similar to triangle which one? BEB. So you can put the ratio. So RI upon EB will be equal to IB upon VE. Now put the value RI. RI is the question mark. EB is given as 15. IB is given as 36. And VE is given as 20. So we can write 20. So RI will be equal to 36 upon 20 into 15. Now 5 3 are 15 and 5 4 are 20. 4 1 are 4 and 4 9 are 26. So RI will become 9 3 are 27 meters. So that is your answer. That means the width of river. So you can write here width of river is equal to 27 meters. So that is your answer. Question number 4. If the area of two similar triangles are equal to each other, then prove that the triangles are congruent. So you can see here, first one triangle is ABC and this one triangle is PQR. So PQ and R. So it is given as area of triangle PABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. As you know, formula is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Now put here both area are equal. You can say area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle. यहाँ ABC ही लिख देंगे. So here is AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. But both are equal, so you can cut it. So you have to write 1 is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to it is AC square upon PR square. So all are square are removing here. So 1 is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR square. क्योंकि एक का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो इतना ही आएगा. So we can say it is AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR and it is AC is equal to PR. It is not square. So there is no any square. So you can see here. Now all the sides are equal. So triangle of ABC congruent to triangle of PQR by SSS because all the sides are equal. Now come to the next question. In the figure, which two triangles are similar to the triangle of ABC? Name them. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle CBM. You can see here in this figure. And the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ACM. So these two angles are, so you can say this and question first and question second. So we can say these are the answer by equation first and second. What will be happen? So triangle of CBM similar to triangle ACM. So by ratio property of there, so we can say it is AM upon CM will be equal to MC upon MB, and it will be equal to AC upon CB. Now put the value AM. Where is the AM? You can say here it is the Y. So you can write here Y. And CM, where is CM? Where is CM? CM is 12. You can see here it is 12. So you can write here 12. Here is MC. MC is also 12. You can write here 12. And MB. MB, where is MB? MB is 16. So you have to write here 16. AC. AC is, where is X? You can see here it is X. So you have to write X. And CB. Where is CB? CB is 20. So you can see here it is 20. So you can write here 20. Now taking first two. So we can say it is the first two. You can see here that is the Y upon 12 is equal to 12 upon 16. So Y will be equal to 12 upon 16 into 12. So 4, 4 are 16 and 4, 3 are 12. 4, 1 are 4, 4, 3 are 12. So Y will be equal to 9, and that is your answer. Now taking the second last two. So that is the 12 upon 16 will be equal to X upon 20. So X will be equal to 12 upon 16 into 20. So 4, 4 are 16 and 4, 3 are 12 and 4, 5 are 20. So 5, 3 are 15. So 15 your answer. So you can find the value of X is 15 and Y is equal to, that is the 9. So that is your answer. Question 8. ABC, BDE are two equilateral triangles. You can see here ABC, this one is the ABC, and the triangle which one? BDE. You can say BDE. Both are the equilateral triangles. All the sides are equal, such that the D is the midpoint. So you can see D is the midpoint of this one. That means the D is midpoint. That means BC is equal to 2BD. Yes. Now find the ratio of the area of triangle, this one. So area of triangle, which one? ABC upon area of triangle BDC. That means it is the ABC, that means BC square upon here is BD square. Now put the value of BC. BC is 2BD. So 2BD whole square is equal to BD square. Here is square. So 2 to the 4, 4BD square upon BD square, BD square, BD square will be cancelled out. So 4 upon 1, so you can say 4 raised to 1. That is your answer. So that one is, third is the correct answer. In two similar triangles, so it is given as 9 area of triangle, which one? It is ABC is equal to 16 area of triangle PQR. Now you can say here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to 16 upon 9. But as you know, it's your equation first. But area of triangle ABC for similar triangle, area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB square upon PQ square. It is your second equation. So by equation first and second, that is the AB square upon PQ square will be equal to 16 upon 9. So that means AB square upon PQ square is equal to 4 square upon 3 square. That means AB upon PQ will be equal to 4 upon 3. So you can say AB raised to PQ is equal to 4 raised to 3. So which one is correct? 4 raised to 3. So first one is correct answer. In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So you can see here the hypotenuse on the angle, that is the B. So this side is called as B. This one is B. you have to write B. And the small a angle, the capital A, so opposite of this side, that is the small a, and opposite of C, that is the small side C. Let AD will be X and the DC will be Y. As you know, X plus Y will be B. So now to prove, what will be proved? So that is the B square is equal to A square plus C square. Now how can prove? So you can see the triangles are similar. So triangle which one? A D B similar to triangle A B C. So that means it is the X upon C is equal to C upon B. Now find the X equal to C square upon B. That is the equation first. Now triangle which one? That is the BDC similar to triangle ABC. So what will be upon? It is Y upon A is equal to A upon B. So Y will be equal to A square upon B. That is the equation second. So adding first and second equation. Adding first and second equations. So how can adding? So that is the X plus Y, and here is that is the C square upon B plus it is the A square upon B. Now taking the X plus Y, as you know, it is the B. So you can write here B. And here is taking LCM B, that is the C square plus A square. Now do the cross multiplication. That means B square is equal to C square plus A square. And यही आपको प्रूव करना था. It's a very simple, so you can do very well. BL and CM are the median of the right angle triangle ABC, which is right angle at A. Prove that 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. Let us see how can do this. First of all, in triangle, which one? ABC. What will be upon? It is AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So that one is your equation first. Now in triangle BLA, what will be upon? It is the BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square. But AL is equal to AC upon 2. So you have to write 2 here. So BL square is equal to AB square plus it is AC by 2 whole square. Now here is BL square is equal to AB square plus AC square by 4. Multiply by 4. So 4BL square is equal to 4AB square plus AC square. That is the equation second. Now come to the triangle. Which one? In triangle CMA. Here is the CM square is equal to CA square plus AM square. But AM is equal to AB by 2. So put the value. So CM square will be equal to CA square plus AM is AB upon 2 whole square. Now here is CM square is equal to CA square plus AB square upon 4. Multiply by 4. So 4 CM square is equal to 4CA square and plus AB square. So that is the equation third. Adding second and third equation. Adding third, second and third equation. So you have to write here 4BL square plus 4CM square is equal to what upon? It is the 4AB square and here is 1AB square. So you can write 5AB square plus Here is AC square and here is 4AC square. So you have to write 5AC square. Now 5 is common. So AB square plus AC square. As you know, AB square from equation first, it is BC square. So that is the 5 BC square, hence proved by equation first. Exercise 5. Which of the pair given below is not similar? You can see here this angle is this and this angles are adjacent angle, but this and this are the opposite angles. So that is not similar. So this is not similar. Here all are similar. Second and third, second and third, all are similar. So that is your answer. You can write this answer. Mega made two similar kites. The diagonal of a bigger kite is 1.5 times of the diagonal of the smaller kite. So first answer, that is the what is the scale factor. So first answer, scale factor is equal to 1.5. So how can do this? So the second part of this. Second part, it is given as BD is equal to 40 centimeters. BD is equal to 40 centimeters. So now we can find the BD that is the QS. QS is question mark. So you can say QS upon BD is given as 1.5. QS we want to find here and BD is given as 40 and is 1.5. So QS is equal to 1.5 into 40. So you can say that is the 60 centimeters. It is your first answer. Now come to the second, that is the AC is given as that is the 68 centimeters. Now we want to find the PR. So you can say scale factor. By scale factor, that is the PR upon AC is equal to 1.5. PR it is given. PR we want to find. AC is given as 68 is equal to 1.5. So PR will be equal to 1.5 into 68. Now multiply and get the answer. That will be 102.0 centimeter and that will be your answer. In right angle triangle PQR, P is the right angle. You can see here P is the right angle. This angle is right angle. This is 90 degree. Now M is the point on QR such that the PM perpendicular on QR. You can see here PM is perpendicular on QR. So that PM square is equal to QM into MR. You can see here the triangle PMR similar to triangle QMP. Now apply the property of similarity. So it is the PM this one, PM upon this one, MR is equal to, here is QM upon PM. Now do the cross multiplication. So PM into PM is equal to, here is QM into MR. Here is PM square is equal to, it is QM into MR. Hence proved. Triangle ABC is the equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find the length of each altitude. So you can see here it is the equilateral triangle. Suppose it is the equilateral triangle A, B and C and it is the perpendicular and that is the D and it is the altitude. So it is A and A, that is the 2A. It is also 2A and it is 2A, and that one is the right angle. So you can take in any triangle. So you can say in triangle which one? ABD. This is the ABD. So that one, the AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Put the value. AB is 2A and 4 square. AD we want to find, plus BD is, that is the A, 4 square. It is the 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. Now AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square. That means AD square is equal to 3A square. So AD will be equal to under root 3 of A, and that is your answer. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which angle C is equal to 90 degree. You can see angle C is equal to 90 degree. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. It is given that BC is equal to AC. It is isosceles, so two sides are equal. So you can say in triangle ABC, what will be happen in ABC triangle? That is the AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now put the value of BC. So here is AB square is equal to this AC square plus AC square. Now AB square is equal to 2 of AC square, hence 2. It's a very simple question. In the given figure, OR dash is equal to 2OR, OS dash is equal to 2OS, and OT dash is equal to 2OT. Then prove that triangle, it is your triangle RST is similar to triangle R dash S dash T dash. So let us start how can do. So first of all, in triangle ORS and triangle OR dash S dash, what will be happen? It is the OR upon OS. OR upon OS, how can find? OR is given as OR dash O dash. OR dash upon OR is equal to OR dash. Put the value of 2OR and here is OR. OR will be cancelled out, so we get 2, and that is the equation first. Similarly, we can find the OS dash upon OS. What will be happen? It is 2OS upon OS. This will be cancelled out, so this is 2. That is the equation second. By first and second. By equation first and second. What will be happen? OR dash upon OR is equal to OS dash upon OS. That means, so triangle which one? ORS similar to triangle OR dash S dash. That means R dash S dash upon which one? RS. It will also 2. That is the equation third. So similarly, what will be happen? That is the ST S dash T dash upon ST will be also 2. By equation third and fourth, what will be happen? R dash S dash upon RS will be equal to S dash T dash upon ST. That means the triangle of which one? RST similar to triangle R dash S dash T dash, and hence 2. Triangle ABC, right angle triangle at C. So here is the right angle triangle. So we can say it is 90 degrees. C Point D and E are the located on side CA. CA पे D है और CB पर आपका E है. Respectively, prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DB square. So you can see in this. First of all, in triangle ABC, what will be happen in ABC? It is AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. That one is your equation first. Now in triangle very small, which one? In triangle DCE, what will be happen? So DE square is equal to what one? DC square plus CE square. So it's your equation second. Adding first and second equation. Adding first and second equation. What will be happen here? So it is AB square plus DE square equal to AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus CE square. That is the equation number 3. Now in triangle, which one? That one is the ACE. It is ACE. What will be happen? It is AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. Equation number 4. Now in triangle, which one? DCB. It is the BD square is equal to, it is CD square plus BC square, and that is the equation 5. Adding 4th and 5th. Adding equation 4th and 5th. What will be happen? You can write here. It is AE square plus BD square will be equal to AC square plus BC square plus CE square and plus CD square. So that is the equation 6. So by equation 6 and 3rd. So you can say by equation 3rd and 6th. As you know, right hand sides are equal. So left hand side is also equal. So you can write here AB square plus DE square is equal to AE square plus BD square, and hence 2. In triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degree. You can see here 90 degree, and CD is perpendicular on AB. CD is perpendicular on AB. Prove that BC square upon AC square is equal to BD upon CD. Now let us see how we can prove this. So first of all, triangle ACD similar to triangle BCD. Now area of triangle, which one? ACD upon area of triangle BCD will be equal to AC square upon BC square. So that one is your equation first. And as you know, area of triangle ACD upon area of triangle BCD will be equal to half of base into height. So ACD, where is ACD? Half of base is AD and height is CD. And here is also 1 by 2. Base is BD and height is CD. Height will be cancelled out. 1 by 2 also cancel out. So area of triangle ACD upon area of triangle BCD equal to AD upon BD. So that is the equation second. So by equation second, by equation first and second, the left hand side are also, so you can say right hand side also AC square is equal to BC square is equal to AD upon BD, or you can say BC square upon AC square is equal to BD upon AB, and hence proof. The diameter of Earth is approximately 8,000 miles, and that of the Sun is 864,000 miles. The distance between the Sun and Earth is approximately 92 million miles. Now, if on paper we take the distance of Earth as 1 inch, then what will be the distance diameter of Sun and the distance between the Sun and the Earth? So we can say it is the 8,000 miles will be equal to 1 inch. So 1 miles is equal to 1 upon 8,000 inch. Now what will be it is? It is given as 864,000 miles will be equal to 1 upon 8,000 into 864,000 inch. Now you can do the calculate this one. 30 will be cancelled out. So we can calculate for 2 4 ja, and here is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja. Once again 2 2 ja 4 and here is the 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 ja 12. Once again by 2 2 1 ja 2 and 0 and 8. So that is the 108 inch. So that will be your answer. Now come to the 92 millions. So 92 million, that means 10 to the power 6 miles will be equal to 1 by 8,000 into 92 into 10 to the power 6 inches. Now what will be upon distance between the two planets? So that is the, so you can say 92 upon 8 into 10 to the power 3 inches. So you can divide 8 1 ja 8 and 1 and 8 1 ja 8 once again and 0.85 into 10 to the power 3 inches. So you can say it is 1.15 into 10 to the power 3 inches. So that is the distance between Sun and Earth. It is the distance between Sun and Earth. So it will be your answer. Now come to the question number 10. The ratio of parameter of two regular hexagon is 5 raised to 4. So that is the parameter P1 upon P2. It is given as 5 raised to 4. That means 5.2. What will be the ratio of their sides? So S1 upon S2 side ratio is equal to parameter ratio. Both are equal. So S1 upon S2 is equal to 5 raised to 4 by equation first and second. You can say by equation first and second. So that is the S1 raised to S2 is equal to 5 raised to 4. That is the answer. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है. नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके, और इसको लाइक भी करेंगे जिससे मैं आगे की वीडियो बना करके आप लोगों को डालता रहूं. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज यही पे वीडियो समाप्त करता हूं.